one must be first of all faithful. Faithful. Saddadhana. He must be very much eager to see God, actually. Not that as a proclivity, frivolous thing. Can you show me God? A magic, just like God is a magic. No, he must be very serious. Yes, if there is God, we have seen, we have been informed about God. So, I must see. There is a story in this connection. It's very instructive. Try to hear. One professional reciter was reciting about Bhagavad, and he was describing that Krishna, being very highly decorated with all jewels, he is sent for tending the cows in the forest. So, there was a thief in that meeting. So he thought that why not then go to Vrindavana and plunder this boy. He's in the forest with so many valuable jewels. I can go there and catch the child and take all the jewels. That was his intention. So you're serious? I must find out that boy. Then in one night I shall become millionaire. So much jewelry. No. So he went there. But his qualification was that I must see Krishna. I must see Krishna. That anxiety, that eagerness made it possible that in Vrindavan he saw Krishna. He saw Krishna the same way as he was informed by the Bhagavad Gita. Then he said, oh, you are so nice, Krishna. So he began to flatter. He thought that flattering, I shall take all the jewels. So when he proposed his real business, so may I take some of these ornaments? He was so rich. No. My mother is angry. I cannot. Krishna is shy. So he became more and more eager for Krishna. And then, by Krishna's association, he has already become purified. Then at last Krishna said, all right, you can take. And then he became a devotee immediately. Because by Krishna's association, somewhere or other, we should come in contact with Krishna. Somewhere or other. Then he will be purified.